Welcome to today's chatter, no frills tech news with the top 5 stories of the day. Today we share why GPS might not be required on the subway, Spotify's tear, if AI can create movies, hacking AirPods, and ads for threads. So without further ado, let's get into it. No GPS required when riding the subway. The transit app accurately locates users underground in 90% of cases using the vibrations of your phone. The vibration technology classifies if you're waiting in a station or moving on a train. For instance, large vibrations would mean that the train is probably moving. And this can show you exactly where you are and when you have to get off the subway. This helps solve the problem of getting lost underground, specifically if you're overseas or traveling. And the best thing is it runs offline, meaning your data stays on your device and it can be used without self-service. However, the app may struggle to differentiate between subtle motion types, and it relies heavily on a user's phone sensors, which can vary by device quality. Also, this requires users to download yet another app. This is a cool technology though, for a niche use case. Travelers willing to download a new app to be certain they get off the right spot. Spotify is on a tear. Spotify expects to reach 665 million monthly active users by Q4 and has more than 5x their stock price in the last 2 years. The company is now doubling down on profits with further cost cuts, while expecting strong subscriber growth for the holiday season. Operational efficiency is really prioritized, with marketing cuts to boost profits. Plus, the expansion of AI features, such as using generative AI to create music or other features, could further boost user engagement and retention. But unclear is the long-term impact on prioritizing operational efficiency over marketing spend, as they might be not able to reach the same amount of users. And these users also complain about the product, as one review reads, cluttered, disorganized UI with apparent focus on things that I couldn't care less about. So, future profitability really depends on sustaining the growth in both monthly active users and premium subscription, especially as ad revenue faces industry challenges. Can AI create a full-length movie? Kling 1.5 model is among the top text-to-video models aiming for cinematic quality. Current AI video generation struggles with fast motion and scene continuity. Still, video generation models like Kling allow for high quality output through complex workflows. As one expert describes it, consistency is achieved by creating scenery and characters first, for instance in Midjourney, then creating the scenes in Kling, and then using AI in post-production for upscaling. Still, character identity retention still isn't foolproof, leading to visual inconsistencies and a lot of post-production work. Also, video generation is not cheap. For instance, only the video credits for the 1 Minute Princess Mononoke trailer were $745, which was translate to 75 to 100k for the full movie. And this does not include the time-consuming post-production. For AI movies to become reality, bringing down the cost substantially and solving character consistency in complex scenes will be the major milestones that need to be achieved. Hacking AirPods for grandma. Technologists in India bypassed Apple's restrictions to enable AirPods Pro 2 hearing aid features for their grandmothers. The hearing aid feature is available in over 100 countries, but not in India. To enable the feature, the location detection had to be circumvented. Apple established a device location not just for GPS and settings, but for Wi-Fi only devices, also via nearby Wi-Fi routers and MAC addresses. Therefore, nearby routers and devices that were associated with an India-located IP gave the relocation away. But they found a creative solution. The researchers rigged up a Faraday cage which blocks electromagnetic signals to isolate the device from the other devices and wireless networks around it. In principle, Apple should just trust users to choose features regardless of their location, but in this case, regulatory concerns prevailed. People can get very creative to solve a problem, but they should not have done this in this case. Ideally, this story moves regulators towards to invite Apple to release the hearing aid features globally. Ads are coming to Threads. Threads has reached 275 million monthly active users since launching in July 2023. To gain initial momentum and attract users from X, Threads so far has focused on consumer value, waiving any monetization features. The rapid user growth shows Threads' potential, and for the platform to be an appealing alternative for advertisers wary of ex-platform policies. Ads could provide substantial revenue to further Threads development. However, the introduction of ads may disrupt Threads' ad-free appeal. Users see it as wonky app with engagement-based content. Meta's core strength, though, is AI advertisement, which is blossoming within Facebook. Ads will change Threads' experience, but a controlled and efficient ramp-up can be expected from Zuckerberg.